Greetings all. Welcome, 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 welcome to week 15. This is our final week for the semester and your field experience. I'm excited to be here with you. I'm excited to take part of this final step in your field experience journey, as well as your path to become a professional counselor. So this week, a number of things are going to be taking place. We're going to complete reviewing your third and final counseling recording. We're going to also meet this week to have our 15-minute end of the term consultation, where again, talk about your overall strengths, growth, and a full evaluation of what I've observed in you throughout this field experience process, give you an opportunity to ask me questions and provide me some information. We're also going to be looking at what needs to be completed both at your site and within this course to close everything out appropriately. Now, know that the due date to submit all documents will be Friday, December 6th. All right, Friday, December 6th. Because on Monday, December 9th, I will be submitting final grades. Therefore, I will need to have all documents submitted to me by Friday at 11:59. These should be submitted in the Canvas platform in the identified designated areas. Know that if I do not receive this information, your grade will be an I, meaning an incomplete. So I just want to give everyone a heads up about that. Now, specifically in regards to those particular documents and assignments that need to be submitted, one, we need to properly close out our relationship and experience with our site. That means any cases, not any, your caseload, particularly if you're not returning, should either be closed or appropriately transferred to another counselor. All right. That should have already taken place 3 weeks ago. And this should be the week that that actual closure or transfer should conclude. You should also be submitting your final weekly log and submitting all 15 of your logs this week as well. You should also be submitting your end of term field experience log. That log includes direct hours, meaning hours you worked with your client and or students throughout this experience. You will find in that log, it will ask about mental health, direct delivery hours, individual group. It will ask you also about marriage and family, couples, hours that you may be working with, and it will ask you about any substance abuse or addiction direct services that you concluded. Now, know that direct services, as we've been doing all semester, includes any counseling related work. That means one-on-one counseling, group counseling, assessments, intakes, and evaluations. Those hours should be included on that final log as direct contact hours. Why does it include the marriage and family and couples as well as addictions? That is for individuals that are seeking that licensure so that you can have that information captured and it will count towards those particular counseling specialties. So be sure that you accurately document all your direct client contact hours on that end of the semester field experience log. Additionally, you will complete and submit self-evaluation, site evaluation, site supervisor evaluation, and campus faculty supervisory evaluation. All information is needed in order to complete this experience. And then you will also complete the exit interview. If you are graduating, you'll complete the exit interview survey, which is a series of questions that, as a program, we've put together for students to respond to. So that's all part of the documents that must be submitted by, again, this Friday, December 6th by 11:59 p.m. Now, we will be meeting on Tuesday for our final group supervision. And then we will be meeting on Thursday for our one-on-one 15-minute consultation. So I look forward to seeing everyone this week. Once again, if you need to meet with me or connect with me prior to that, my office hours remain on Mondays and Wednesdays from 1 to 3. Come by my office, give me a call, or join me virtually. For quicker responses, simply email me and I will get back to you within 48 hours. Again, excited to be with you on this final group supervision week, and excited to see your recorded session and just simply talk about all that you've gained, all that you've learned, and where you will be going as you complete this step in your journey to becoming a professional counselor. Take care. Be safe.